Introducing the Gourmia Digital Air Fryer Oven, the all-in-one kitchen appliance that combines a toaster oven, air fryer, and dehydrator, revolutionizing your cooking experience and maximizing your counter space. With 16 easy-to-use presets and a range of cooking functions, this multifunctional powerhouse allows you to effortlessly prepare a wide variety of your favorite foods with just one tap. From healthy air-fried delights to perfectly toasted breads, pastries, homemade pizza, and even smoky jerky, the Gourmia Digital Air Fryer Oven does it all. Here are the key features of Gourmia Air Fryer Oven. Unparalleled quality and trust. Gourmia is proud to be the #1 best-selling air fryer brand in the USA in 2022. With a commitment to delivering value and uncompromising quality, Gourmia has become a trusted name in home essentials. When you choose the Gourmia Digital Air Fryer Oven, you can be confident that you are investing in a reliable and top-performing kitchen gadget that will elevate your cooking game. Multicooker Combo, the perfect kitchen essential. Experience the convenience of a multifunctional kitchen essential with the Gourmia Digital Air Fryer Oven. This all-in-one appliance handles a wide range of cooking tasks, including French fries, wings, fish frying, bacon, seafood, vegetables, baking, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, toasting, reheating, and keeping your dishes warm. With 12 one-touch digital presets, you can achieve the best results with a simple tap, taking the guesswork out of cooking and ensuring consistent and delicious outcomes every time. The healthiest way to fry. Indulge in all the flavor without the guilt with the Gourmia Digital Air Fryer Oven. Utilizing innovative fat removal technology in the air fryer basket, this appliance removes up to 90% of fat during the cooking process, allowing you to enjoy your favorite fried foods with less oil. Savor the crispy texture and rich flavors of your favorite dishes while making healthier choices for yourself and your family. Quick and easy cleanup. Cook fast and clean fast with the Gourmia Digital Air Fryer Oven. Say goodbye to the hassle of scrubbing pots and pans. The dishwasher-safe air fryer accessories make cleanup a breeze. Simply place them in the dishwasher and you're done. Enjoy the convenience of fast and easy cleanup, bringing efficiency and convenience to your kitchen must-haves. Comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. At Gourmia, customer satisfaction is a top priority. That's why all Gourmia air fryers, including the Gourmia Digital Air Fryer Oven, come with a 1-year comprehensive international warranty. This warranty provides you with peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected and that you can rely on the quality and durability of your Gourmia appliance. Conclusion: upgrade your cooking game with the Gourmia Digital Air Fryer Oven, the ultimate multi-cooker that combines a toaster oven, air fryer, and dehydrator in one versatile appliance. With its 16 easy-to-use presets, fat removal technology, quick and easy cleanup, and comprehensive warranty, this kitchen essential brings convenience, flavor, and healthier cooking options to your fingertips. Experience the joy of effortless cooking. Elevate your culinary creations and transform your kitchen into a hub of culinary delights with the Gourmia Digital Air Fryer Oven.